Wow, it's just about 40 plus hours and 2021 will be over. The service tomorrow with the man of God, the 31st night, New Year Eve service with the man of God, Pastor Chris, holds tomorrow. I want you to join me if you're in Port Harcourt at the Lovo City. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Talking about seeing, when we pray, we see visions. This is one of the blessings that we have when we pray, especially when you pray in the Spirit. The eyes of your understanding is enlightened. And that's one of the benefits of prayer. When you pray and commune and fellowship with God, He loves to show you things to come. This is one of the things that the Spirit of God does for us. Study more in today's Rhapsody of Realities. And while you're at that, I want you to join me in sponsoring Rhapsody of Realities. Click on the link and become a partner today. Love you. See you tomorrow. God bless you.